What are you doing? Hey. What are you doing over there? I also want to point out that I am getting rid of stuff, decluttering as much as I can. When it comes to like decluttering, I mostly say like extra products that I get and clothes that I don't really care about. I do have a video of all this stuff that I'm getting rid of linked up here. So if you guys want to check that out, you will know what is in these bags and why I'm getting rid of them. I'm going to put those in my car. That's why I have them out of my closet. So I'm not going to talk too much in this clean with me since it's a short one, but I did want to mention a couple things. One, am I the only one that hates putting on sheets? I wish sheets were easier to put on by now, but I dread putting sheets on the bed. So anyways, everything's nice and cleaned. With this clean with me, I decluttered a little bit, not much, mostly Milo stuff, which you guys will see when I get into the living room area. So I'm gonna let the music play for you guys. Let me know with the next clean with me if you want me to do a full talking version of this, because I know I got a couple requests with just music, so you guys can like clean with me, like literally what the title says. Anyways, I'll let you guys listen to some music and I will get back to you in just a bit. So when it came to the bathroom, I actually deep cleaned the bathroom the other day, so I didn't film it. I'm so sorry. I will do a separate deep clean bathroom video so you guys can see like what I use in there. I use only like 2 cleaners, to be honest with you, maybe 3, but it's super simple. It's such a tiny bathroom, so it's really hard to record in there, but I will sacrifice that for you guys. If you guys do not know by now, Milo is my little duck. He follows me everywhere. If I'm cleaning, if I'm not cleaning, he just, wherever I am, he's there. He is my personal shadow, bodyguard, stalker, however you want to call it. He's always there. Also, when I'm cleaning, I either listen to music, listen to a show in the background, or I talk to my niece. My niece is 8 years old. We talk a lot. Talk to her about school, talk to her about organizing. She's very curious of what I do, what I'm doing, what I'm up to. She's just a curious little girl, so I try my best to talk to her as much as I can while she wants me around. I know when she gets into that teenage years, she may not want to talk to her aunt anymore, so I'm sucking all this in as much as I can right now. Now, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm not gonna say that I'm perfect, because I'm not. I had made a few purchases that were unnecessary for Milo, such as that cat house. He doesn't go on it anymore. I mean, I'm gonna donate it anyways to a shelter. It was around like $48, but he was using it a lot more when he was smaller, and he just stopped using it. Like, he would avoid it and just go straight to the cat hammock on the window, so that's why you see me getting rid of it. So I do have a confession to make. I vacuum very, very weird when it comes to carpets. If there's no carpets, I won't vacuum like this, but I have this satisfaction of seeing vacuum lines on the carpet. I feel like it's a lot cleaner when you see the vacuum lines. Like, you know, you got every spot when you go in a straight line like this. I don't know, maybe it's just in my head. And that's it, you guys. That is how I quickly clean my apartment. And I did a quick declutter. So of course, with the apartment this clean, I feel like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders. I don't know, every time I clean, I just feel so relaxed. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and do not worry, I will still continue these clean with me videos. I really hope they don't get repetitive. There's so much that I can clean in a tiny apartment like this, but you guys asked for another clean with me, so since I am the clean queen in the house, I will show what I do. So also stay tuned for like a bathroom cleaning. Like I said before, it is a tiny bathroom, but there's quite a few things that I have done, such as this tub. This tub did not look like this. I will insert a before picture of this tub, and I got it to look brand new again with just one product, which is a magic eraser and some elbow grease. Elbow grease is free. But anyways, I'm gonna shut up now. I'll let you guys enjoy these after shots, and I'll catch you in the next video.